Rod with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. And behind the camera today is Ben Maddox helping me out with the videos. And we're going to take a few minutes to talk about this latest arrival. Now, Johnson RV is famous for being the largest premium pre-owned dealer in the United States. I think right now we're running about 800 pieces in our inventory, so it's amazing. This is a great example of one. This is a 2017 Roadtrek 210 Popular. So the Roadtrek line and the Chevys were built on a 210 platform, the 190 and the 170. This is the largest of the three. And it's a beautiful old coach. It's a full body paint. It's about 22 plus feet long, so it's not too big, and it gets just about anywhere. And a couple things that make this a little different is with Roadtrek, when they built this, they cut the back part of the van out, shell, and then replaced that with a steel structural frame. And then they covered that with fiberglass here. So what it did is essentially it widened both sides of the van about 3.5 to 4 inches, which makes a huge difference on the inside. So you'll see that when we get inside in just a minute. A couple key things about the 210 specifically is the outside storage. We have outside storage compartments here, and we have a couple on the other side too. And one thing about Class B vans, you just don't see outside storage. So this is really special about the 210 Popular. It's also hitched and ready to tow. It'll tow at least 5,000 pounds. Very strong tow capability there. When you open up the rear of the coach, you'll see in here you've got nice underbed storage. Goes back in quite a ways. So interior and exterior storage. And then down below you have basement storage. Basement storage on a Class B. Now, spare tires here. Continental kit provided. Here's another one of our storage compartments. And then you have the full-length storage compartment right along here. The Roadtreks are famous. They provide you with a macerator system for dumping your gray and black tanks. It makes it nice, convenient, a little simpler. I like that as well. This is the Chevy chassis again. It's a V8, 6-liter V8. That gives you a great motor to get you around. Not bad fuel economy either. We're looking probably in that 14 to 15 miles per gallon on the highway. Come on in, let's take a look. I'll go in first and I'll go to the back, and we'll have Ben kind of scan around for you. So when you step into a Roadtrek, I'm 6'4", so it's a little bit short for me inside. But still, I'm very comfortable in here. You'll see when we get to the back, it widens out. But notice the kitchen space here. You've got your nice countertops. You've got an additional table which pulls out here. Makes a nice, that pulls out much further. You've got three large drawers for storage in the kitchen. Under counter storage, of course, your sink and your 2-burner stovetop. This is a granite composite countertop, not plastic. This is a nice sturdy countertop. All cherry cabinetry. This is real cherry wood that they use for the construction of their cabinets and the fascias here. Notice the size of the fridge. And it's not down below the counter, so it's easy to get in and out of. And then above it, you have a microwave convection oven, so you can do your baking. Now I'm going to step to the back here and just talk for a little bit with you. But this is set up in a twin bed configuration, but you have cushions and things that can make this into a nice lounge area. It goes really well with the 5.1 surround sound system in here. So videos, movies, and a great sound system. It has a full bath. It's an enclosed bathroom. Some of the smaller Roadtreks had just a little toilet area that you'd have your feet out in the hallway. Maybe Ben can show you. Yeah, so you can actually close these doors and back up just a little bit. I'll show you. And when you're in there, you can set this up to where it gives you a little bit more elbow room. This locks into place here. Now, if you need more shower space, you have a curtain system in here, and that opens this whole area up here, and the floorboard is actually a shower pan. So should you need something like that, you've got it. This area of the bed here fills in as well. So this is a twin, like I said, a twin configuration now, but this fills in and makes a big, basically a king-size bed in a Class B motorhome. So exceptional, the Roadtrek 210 Popular here at Johnson RV. Thank you, Ben, behind the camera. Appreciate it. You can call and ask for either one of us, Ben Maddox or Rod Benbrook, at 503-668-5400.